With several local districts returning to remote learning and others recently sending their students back to school, many parents are wondering what's driving these vastly different decisions.
Our Dr. Frank George here with a closer look at the challenges of face-to-face learning. Doc?
Yeah, Kim and Devin. So this is a great example of a one-size-does-not-fit-all situation. While masks are mandated in all schools, different schools have different abilities to further reduce the spread of the virus with, for example, smaller classes, more space, better ventilation, so on. Making the decision at a local level makes sense, but there are no easy answers. What role are schools playing in potentially spreading the coronavirus? It's the question parents, administrators, and the community as a whole would like to know. While it's abundantly clear that colleges have generated a high amount of spread across the country, when it comes to younger grades, it's not as simple. There have been outbreaks in Michigan schools, defined as 2 or more connected cases in students or staff not in the same household. Now, many have objected to the use of the word outbreak, but essentially, these are considered schools where transmission is documented or at least highly probable. But Michigan's school outbreak list does not include schools with students or staff members who have tested positive but have not appeared to spread the virus to others. Fortunately, that's a much more common scenario, which suggests the safety precautions are working in many districts. Unfortunately, we have no idea how much asymptomatic spread could be happening. Studies have found younger children are more likely to be asymptomatic than adults. Without regularly testing students and staff who don't have symptoms, it's impossible to know how often children are silently spreading the virus. Now, as the level of cases rise in a given community, we can expect the level of cases to rise in the schools as well. And as cases continue to climb in the state of Michigan, it's reasonable to assume that we will reach a level of spread where it just won't be practical to keep schools open anymore.
Are you surprised that so many districts are making different decisions about what might be best?
Well, not really, Devin. You know, I think because the districts are not just looking at the numbers, they're also trying to balance the desire of parents to have kids in school.
Sure.
And the fact is, it's clear, kids do learn better in school. Different districts have a different tolerance of risks and different abilities to reduce that risk, which is absolutely why it's been left up to local leaders to make that decision, at least for now.
Well, I don't envy any of the decision makers on this right now, that's for sure. All right, Frank.